Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by unlocking your Redmi Note 10 Pro and opening settings. This is where control lives. Tap sound and vibration to reveal ringtones, volume sliders, and notification options. Once done, scroll to notification sound to see the default tone list. You must distinguish notification sound from ringtone and system sounds because changing the wrong one won't silence notifications. Make sure DND is off while you test, and keep the phone unlocked so you can hear changes immediately. Now tap notification sound to open the tone chooser. Android shows built-in tones and any custom files. Scroll to the top or bottom to find silent, none, or a blank option. Select it to disable the audible alert. If silent isn't present, tap add or choose from storage and select a silent MP3 file you placed earlier. Once you pick silent or the silent file, confirm with OK or apply. This changes notification output without affecting media or ringtone volumes. Finish by testing. Send yourself a message or trigger an app alert to verify notifications are silent. If you still hear sound, open the app's notification settings. Many apps override system defaults and set their own tone. Make sure Do Not Disturb or per app preferences aren't conflicting. If silence fails, restart the phone, and if needed, clear settings cache or update MIUI. One key troubleshooting tip. Check that notification volume slider is not tied to media volume and that you confirmed the silent tone selection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.